All right, we're trying to figure out how many subsets of the set of WXYZ contain a W. And the problem starts out with showing you what the subsets are of XY, of WXY, and I think you'll understand that. You know, you've got W, X, Y as individual sets, and then WX, WY, and so forth. And you always have the set itself, which is WXY, and then you always have the empty set. So WXY contained, there's 3 elements in there. So it's going to have 2 to the cubed subsets, and that's 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this WXYZ, there's 4. It's going to be 2 to the 4th subsets, which is 16. Now, we want to figure out how many contain W. So, if you look at XYZ, which is a subset of WXYZ, and when you find all the subsets of XYZ, you're going to have 8 of them, and none of those are going to have a W in there because we don't have a W in there to start with. So what you need to do is take all of your subsets, which is 16, and some of those contain this W, but I know that there's 8 of them that do not, so the answer is 8.